Yo, so, good morning. Just have a minute. Take a breath. Find your happy place. Mine is starting my fire, having a coffee. Don't think too much of the day ahead. Don't think what you got to do. Just think you got to get up, get yourself a coffee, get the TV on, whatever your little routine is this morning. Have a breath. Know that there's people there that'll help. Reach out if you need. If you struggle, take a minute. Just take a minute. I hope you have a good day. Any problems, reach out. We'll have a bit of a laugh and a joke. The birds are cheeping, the sun is rising, and we're breathing. Have a good day, and I'll catch you in the next one.